Good morning to traders and welcome to today's The Markets in Waves video. It is Thursday, March 11, and we're going to have a quick update on Pound, Aussie, NASDAQ, Gold, as well as AUDUSD, as all of them are reaching interesting levels or have already reached, or there is some sort of interesting pattern taking formation. Okay, there is always something like this. Otherwise, I'm not really going into particular pairs, right? I need to find something good for you guys. Now, let's start with the pound. Last time we talked about this moving down after a break of the median regression, right? We missed the trend line of this ascending channel. However, that doesn't mean that we turned bullish or bearish or anything. It means to me that wave one ended here on the downside, or it might be a wave A. Okay, it means that we ended down here. Now we'll move up for a correction in wave two. Okay, or it could be wave B. Only then we're gonna start moving lower. I think I would like to get another signal up here. Okay, I think I will want the RSI to go overbought in order to start considering that the correction is in, and then we're going to start moving lower. Only when we'll break the descending channel, I will start becoming a bit more confident about the decline of this particular structure. Okay, because for now, and as long as we remain above this channel trend line, it means that we're still pretty much bullish in the medium term. On the next opportunity, let's have a quick look on Aussie. A very similar downside move with pound as well when compared. However, in this case, we have broken outside the channel, okay, which is very clearly seen. We do have two signals on the upside for Aussie dollar, okay, and for now we see prices moving up without that showing any signs of a correction so far, right? Because it's impulsive, so it could be a zigzag. Let's see whether the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of the downside move wave one and the downside trend line of this regression channel is going to hold. If we're going to get price rejection around 77.65 or so, then we can start looking for wave three down, okay? Or it could be a case where this is an ABC, as always, yeah? And then we're going to see a continuation on the upside, similar to the pound. Now, I'm a little bit more bearish than the pound over here, obviously because we broke the trend line, okay? But without that meaning that we cannot move up to 78.38 or even 78.60, okay? Now on the NASDAQ. Last time we talked about this expanding flat, and we talked about missing the 12.168, which is 106.18 extension for waves 1 and B, when we take into account that we have, of course, an expanding flat. This, guys, looks like it's ended to me, but this structure over here, it doesn't really look much impulsive to me, okay? Plus, we got rejected up here on this trend line. So I can see two scenarios coming in. One is we're going to continue lower, yeah, with A, stopping up here, moving up, or B, breaking down, which means wave 4 was here and wave 5 was here. And this is a leading diagonal, open diagonal. Or B, we are going to break higher, yeah, and this is going to turn like a leading diagonal. Then we're going to get two down here and then continue higher for fresh highs. Now gold, guys, the prices of gold have also gone as we expected, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 down at this cluster that we called ages ago, or do have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means we ended down here, wave 4 and the triple zigzag, and we'll start moving higher. Well, both scenarios are possible, okay? The truth is, I would be expecting a bit more of a volume for a reversal, okay? Not necessarily, but usually it's seen. Now, this signal on the MACD on the RSI, it's impulsive so far, okay, but it could just be an ABC. So I pulled my Fibonacci extension tool over here, and I'm saying that 1742 and the 1751 is the 78.6 and 100 Fibonacci extensions, yeah? Now, the thing is that we get a very nice cluster around 1745 because this is the 50 Fibonacci retracement of wave 3, right? So I will be looking for prices to get there, okay, fairly soon, I would say, probably as well. And then look for signals for the downside. If we don't see signals for the downside, yeah, and then we go to 1760, that would invalidate this move as an impulse of the downside. So in this case, there will be two scenarios. One, we end it down here and we'll continue higher, or two, yeah, and this is also a probable scenario because we're talking for a last wave. This is going to turn like some sort of ending diagonal over here, okay, open ending diagonal. And last, let's have a quick look on AUDUSD. Looks like it's breaking outside its range, okay. If you recall, last time we looked at it, we were talking about a reversal move over here, which is primary wave 1, and we were looking at a flat for wave 2, which already came in, okay. Now, this to me looks like a wave 1 because this is corrective, this is impulsive, this is corrective, and wave 2 are in. And this very nice upside move, we did get a false break, at least for now, at 306. It's expected, especially at the psychological level, but I'm expecting this to be a wave 3, okay, which of course is going to take us to fresh highs. And by saying this, this is going to be internally a minor degree on the upside, yeah? Now, in case we break above the previous wave 1, yeah, with a valid breakout, we're looking at primary wave 3 to end around the $400, okay? So this is a very big opportunity. Now, on the flip side, we could have prices, hold on, yeah. We could have prices coming up here and then coming back, well, you know, for a running flat, okay, 1, which would be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Or it could be a case, guys, well, this is going to be an X, a W, this is going to be an X, and this is going to be a Y. And we're going to get some sort of complex correction here in wave 2. So this will be all for the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find it insightful. In case you did, I would appreciate if you click the like button. And of course, as always, if you have an alternative scenario in mind, do not hesitate to make a comment on our YouTube video and I will get back to you as soon as I can.